I'm here at a customer's house doing a dryer vent inspection and came across a dryer vent hood that is plastic, and the plastic ones come with a screen, and by code they cannot have a screen on a dryer vent, so it clogs up really easy and prevents the lint from coming out properly. So took the screen off and showed him this. This is specifically designed for the dryer. It over exceeds code for dryer vents. The dryer jack is the only one on market that's actually specifically designed for a dryer, and it'll protect you from birds and rodents getting in, because this customer's concern was, if it doesn't have a screen on it, how does it protect you from birds and rodents? Well, birds and rodents on the plastic ones can get in there really easy without the screen. This one, the damper here, is supposed to deter the birds and rodents from getting in. And how that does that is it sits inside this little groove right down here and is really close to the edges to make it extremely hard for birds and rodents to get into it. We've been doing these 15 years and we've never had anybody call us back up and say they had a bird or rodent get into them. So we do know this product works.